Namaste everyone. So today we are going to see a new tutorial for Sri Rama Rameti, which comes under Sri Vishnu Sahasranamam. It comes at the end after 120 verses of Sri Vishnu Sahasranamam, the ending part, the 4 lines. That 4 lines, these are the 2 lines which comes in that. So this needs only 4 swarams. That is Shuddha Madhyamam, Panchamam, Shuddha Daivatam and Tarasthai Shadjam. So these are the 4 swarams which we need. This is what we need. So let's play how it comes. So this is how it goes very beautifully. So let's see one by one each line. Shri Rama Rama Rameti Ma pada pada ma pada. You have to do the pulgamakam like this. Okay. And then Rame Rame Manorame Mama Mama Pada Rame Rame Manorame. No pull, no slide gamakam in this line. So then the next one is Sasranama Tattulyam. So the Tattulyam, it comes, we are going to pull the Shuddha Daivatam again like this 2 times. Okay. And then Rama Nama Varanane Mapadasa Da pa 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 da pa pa pa. So in this also no gamakam.